Hello everyone, welcome to Plus Equal. In this tutorial, we'll keep going with our project from the marble and the goal and the platforms between them. We want to increase the challenge this time by adding more stuff than these simple ramps. So let's begin and let's see what we can do. If we open up the project window here, we can see that we have more stuff here that can be pretty useful. Here we have a folder called prefabs, and inside the prefabs we have puzzle pieces. Opening puzzle pieces will give you more 4 folders. Some of them you already know, like the ramp layout, the ramp puzzle pieces, but you can also go to other puzzle pieces or interactable puzzle pieces, like the spoon for example. So let's grab the spoon and put it on the scene. Here on the spoon prefab, we can see that we have the interact key on space, but you can change this if you want. I will leave space. And we have the power of the spoon. So, for instance, if I want to push this to the right, close to the border, and I'll put my spoon here on the middle. Let me rotate it with control to be fixed. Let's put this in isometric view. Let's grab the spoon, press W to put it here, right under our ramp. And for example, if I hit play now, the ball goes and goes, and now it reaches the spoon. Now if I press space, I will send my ball up. It wasn't enough to reach the goal. Maybe we don't need to put the goal so far. So I'll take the goal right to here. Let's try again. The ball goes. Now reaches here. Space. Not enough. But you get the idea. Let's do other things here. For example, you can also create another marble. We have one right here. But if we go to the prefabs, in one per level, you can see the marble here. And you can send this into the scene. I'll put it on top of the other, so they are close to each other. I will rename this because I don't like this being 1, this marble 2. Now we just added a new marble into the scene. And if you want, you can copy the position of this to put on this one. And now you can just move it on this axis, making sure that we will fall into the ramp. So if I press play, both marbles are going down. One already there. Oh, what the hell was this? What the hell was that? Okay, again, you get the idea. Let's move on. We saw a problem there, that was the camera wasn't following this marble here. And you can change that in the camera. So if we go to the main camera, you can see that they are using Cine Machine for the virtual camera. If you go to the virtual camera, you can see that they are following a target group. So if you press the target group, you will get here finally. And this will allow you to add another marble. So let's press just here and let's pick the marble 2. So this way we should be targeting the 2 marbles. Let's press play and see if this is working fine. Okay, they are both on the screen. And I think that's good. I think that's actually good. Except the ball going into the goal, that is not happening at the moment. Now that we are talking about the marbles, you can also change the initial marble that you want to play. So in the level UI canvas, you got timing and you got the starting marble here. And if you want, you can change this to marble 2. For example, you can also change the key that you want to reset the level, and so on. This is very flexible and I really enjoy it. Pretty much the same as this one. We also have an option that defines what marble will allow us to complete the game. So if I go into the goal, we can see here that we have a marble, and I can put my second one, because now I want my second marble to be the main one. This is just an example, okay? This way, my second marble that I just created, marble 2, is the one that will allow me to complete the game. If marble 1 gets there, nothing will happen. And so this is it for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we'll create something more challenging than this ramp. So if you are enjoying these kind of tutorials, stay tuned, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And maybe, if you want, join our Discord. Thank you a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Stay safe.